Hey guys, it's BMX PS325 here, and I'm going to show you my bike as of May 19th, 2011. Let's start off in the front. First, the tire, got the Fit FAF tire. It's pretty nice. Grips, it's pretty nice. Just 20 by 2.25. Rim is a, where'd I put it? Oh well, it's a Hick 24 something rim. It's nice though. I don't really know. It's a Hoffman. It came with a Hoffman bike I had. The peg is the Kink light peg. It's pretty light. I mean, it says it all though. Fork nitrous OG. It's 4130 chromoly. It's nice. I like it a lot. Headset is an Eastern integrated headset. So obviously it's all sealed and everything. It's nice. Oh, it has sealed bearings by the way. The stem is a Fit stock stem. It's pretty nice. I like it a lot. It's pretty nice. It's sort of light, sort of heavy. It's right in the middle, I guess. Like 12 ounces, 11 ounces. I don't know. Bars, gone from 2x4. They are the Sins 8-inch rise with 29 inches across, I think. The grips are the Dakota Roche style grips from Fit, also known as the repeater grips. They're really nice and sticky. I love them. Now let's go to the frame. Frame is the Kink taco frame. I'm pretty sure it is. Got it off eBay, so I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure it is. The seat is the Eastern Pinner seat. It's railed, and I got a Fit Bike Company seat post with the Hoffman clamp. I've got the the Eastern Stealth cranks with DK PC pedals. They're plastic. They're unsealed. I hate sealed pedals. They spin too fast and much. The chain is just a regular KMC silver chain. It's pretty dirty. I gotta clean it probably. The bottom bracket is a premium bottom bracket. Forget what it's called, but it's mid and sealed, so it's nice. Sprocket is the Miraco Black Label 25 tooth sprocket, and it's really nice. Back wheel is the Animal GLH tire. It says it right in there. It's 20 by 2.25. It holds, I think, 110 psi. So does that one up there. And my hub guard is a Primo hub guard, and it's for the driver side. You can see my driver in there, sort of. But this is an Alex rim with brass nipples, Alex rim spokes, I guess. It's a really loud hub because I cleaned it out and everything. Yeah, that's how you make it louder. And this is a Kink light peg. And I guess I will show you the sound the back hub makes. And just spin this around. It's really loud. I like it. It's probably gonna be the loudest. It's the loudest one in the neighborhood, I can guarantee that. A lot of kids ride in this neighborhood too, so that's a good thing. And yep, that's my bike check. Subscribe, add me as a friend. I'll most likely say okay to it. And this is my bike check. See you later.